Okay, what I found was in the carburetor had quite a bit of, wasn't varnish, it was looked like deteriorated fuel line. So I replaced the fuel line to the fuel pump. The fuel filters on the side of the engine was leaking around the seal. Those are notorious for that. I just do away with them, and then I put another filter in the line between the tank and the primer bulb. That way it filters the fuel before it even goes through the primer bulb, which can get clogged up too. Basically it does the same thing, it just does it in a different place. Took the carburetor apart, cleaned it, put it back together, and we're at the lake and it's running good. I'm not going to unload it off the trailer because I'm by myself. It's just too much work, but it'll sit here on the trailer in the water. It's a little deep in the water, but it will, if it'll run like this, it'll run down the lake. It's just not going to rev up because it's not pushing the boat. It's not because of anything other than that. But it's in idle. It's in forward gear right now. Reverse. The reverse lock mechanism's messed up. Don't know what that problem is. Anyway, you're good to go.